Hey everybody, I am doing a little checkup on a client's house that is not here right now, and I found a little bit of a surprise, so I wanted to just share the joys of real estate with you guys. So I first walk in and this is what I see on one of the little booties that were here, and I'm going, that doesn't seem right. What are all these little spots everywhere? And I say, oh, well, there might be a bird in the house. So I keep investigating, and I see more spots, and I'm waiting for something to fly out at me. And there's more, and I keep looking, and then I get into the kitchen, and I say, oh, there's our friend. And then I say, well, that's a lot of crap for one little bird. And then upon further investigation, we've got more and more poop. And then there's more and more birds. They're coming in through the damn fireplace. So I locked it up. I think they're all in, unfortunately. And they're dead. Oh, I just found another one. That's 8. Do you see him in there? There's another guy, and he crapped everywhere in there. Let's see. Then I come upstairs thinking, please let there be no more birds upstairs. Here we go. More poop. There's birds. There they are. So now I get to remove birds. Add that to my job description.